Hey guys, it's Paul here, PNUK training or punk training, whatever you want to call it. I want to give you an introduction to 2023, 2024 and beyond, the Zoho One experience, everything I'm thinking about, and trying to get you the best you can out of Zoho One so that you're maximizing productivity and profitable when you sign up for Zoho One. So if you come to pnuk.com, you see obviously I promote, I've got a little bit of CSS out of the whack here, it should be over there, but Zoho One to me is the best deal online. It's 40 plus apps. It has recently changed its price, so it is about 45 quid a month per user. But because it's 40 plus apps, I want to give you the best experience as I possibly can. It's 30 days to sign up, and I want to show you a place where you can go. My theory was nobody needs to sign in. You can just get training, you can log in, and you can sign up for Zoho One. You can learn more about Zoho One, all these different training category areas for different things. And it's really, I wanted it to be a reference library and a place where people who are using Zoho One can get together. But it seems like in 2023, 2024, the forum model isn't really working. The other thing I had was there was so much training, there were so many videos, so many apps, the training would be out of date all the time. So I was trying to keep an active place. It's not quite working as I'd like, but I'm going to keep it so that Zoho One experience reference is at z1exp.com. What I'm going to add on top of this is a private area. If you sign up with Zoho One and you tag me as your Zoho partner, or you sign up with my link, so if you click any of the ads here, Zoho One 30-day free trial, it's going to say I'm already signed in, of course. If you sign up with that link, then you get access to my base camp and more about it. If you go to pnuk.com/tag, it's going to bring you to a place that says, I'm an affiliate to Zoho, so I get paid a percentage for the first year you're with Zoho, and then you are, no, I wouldn't say on your own. That's the wrong thing to say, because you're not on your own. Even if you don't tag me, you're not on your own, because you can play, you can add questions on any Zoho video, you can ask questions in the free forum, and I will help out the best I can. But to help me and to help me have more clout with Zoho, if you tag PNUK, so if you're in the EU or you're in or outside of Europe, click the tag button. And if you don't have a partner tag, or if you have signed up with my link, or you signed up after one of my videos but didn't tag me, just make sure that you're tagged here. If not, you can just select all and tag your partner. This will then proceed to tag PNUK, which will tag me. That's going to be some errors on that probably. So that will get you access to my base camp. That means that you're an active partner with me, and I'll invite you to my base camp, which is going to be a place where we can sit, like a little campfire. If you've got anything going on, we're going to be able to say. We're going to be able to set up a separate project for you to make sure that you're getting the most, so I can keep in touch privately. What this does, I understand now, is that now, since I sort of branched out from working one-on-one, I don't fully know what everybody wants one-on-one. Whether Zoho's getting better at support as well, I'm getting less questions about support. There's probably more people out there doing videos as well, isn't there? So I want to take, my theory is one person from your business. Now, it can be more, but I think Zoho One, with everything it can offer, you need an in-house expert. And I want that person to come and jump on the Zoho One Basecamp private project yourself and get that person up to speed as fast as possible so that they can then go in your company and train people and get people sorted and make them better at their jobs or make them more productive. But it's really Zoho One and one person, a one-person expert. You can send more my way. I just think one person signing up would be beneficial. So if you hit here, look, if you come to Z1EXP and hit Zoho Partner, if you can't, if you've already got a tag, so when you click when you click and it already says another tag, don't untag them. Even if you're not getting any support from that Zoho partner, it's not something I want people to be untagging or removing people from. The other option is, so if you come here and it says, I don't know, something else limited, leave them as your partner. Those people can, help you with support and things like that. But you've got an option to also get a private members area access via my training membership, which is $10 a month, because that is how much I would get paid if you signed up with Zoho One via my link. I'd get $10 for every partner every sign up that uses at $40 a month, right? If you've already had Zoho One for a year or so, I no longer get paid for your partnership. So if you wanted to sign up, you become a member that way as well. So two different ways to get access. I want to give more value. I want to get back to doing a lot more videos, get back to doing videos that help, and get people the most out of Zoho, and then be able to have some clout with Zoho that I can say, look, this is a feature people are asking for. This is a feature that's missing that a lot of people would probably switch over if this happened, if you tidied this up, if you did something like that. So, z1exp.com and browse around the Zoho One experience. And then if you're thinking of going deeper into the base camp and into a private area where we'll talk more in depth and we'll talk about getting you sorted, getting things that are slowing you down, then dive in, ask questions, send me a message. We'll get you the most out of Zoho we can. I still think it's the best deal. As a collaborative set of tools, I still think it is by far the best deal online, even though the prices have gone up a little bit. So it's gone up to $37 a month, monthly, if you're paying in pounds, 45 quid. So it's about £1 per app per user, isn't it? So yeah, dive in, send me a question, join the forum or don't. Like I said, there's an option to just browse around and never log in, never know who you are. But if you dive in and tell us who you are, what you need, and how we can help, then everybody grows. My YouTube channel, my Zoho partnership grows, and hopefully you'll get a productive, profitable, happier business. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Paul, BNUK, or The Punk, out.